Coming back to the sign up page, a demo application which I have created for an example to show you the fields to create test scenarios and the test cases to help you understand how to document and write these test cases step by step. As I have already explained how to write test cases for the first name, last name, and the email ID fields of the demo application for the sign up page in my previous videos, I am now going to create the test cases for the mobile number field. You may watch the previous videos that I have uploaded for a better understanding. Links are given below in the description. Since we see that the mobile number and the email field are the same, in this field we can either choose the mobile number or the email for signing up. As we have already done creating the test cases by choosing the email, now I will be creating the test cases by choosing the mobile number into the field. So, as a tester, your role is to test the field by entering the valid and the invalid mobile number both one by one into this field. So, what could be the valid scenarios for this field? The valid scenario could be first entering a valid mobile number and second entering a valid email. Since we are done creating the test cases with the email, now let's enter the valid mobile number to test. So once you enter the field with a valid mobile number along with entering valid credentials into all other fields and then sign up should be successful and you must be redirected to the home page of the application. As you see here in the Google Sheets, in test case number 1, we have already tested this field by entering a valid email. But now I will be choosing a valid mobile number instead and then sign up. So I'm going to simply copy the test steps from here and paste them below. Then I will edit the email and write my valid mobile number. So the test case should be documented like this. Okay, since now I have copied and pasted the test steps below, that is my new test step 17. Here I will simply edit the email and write the mobile number instead. Also, I will be editing these alphabets from here. And the expected result for entering a valid mobile number should be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter a valid mobile number. So I'm going to edit this here as well. Every application is different and therefore their requirements must be different too. Not all sign up or registration forms are the same. They must have different criteria set for their application, which also depends on the localization of the application, etc. So, valid mobile number must be only valid along with the right code for those specific locations online. So, you just need to be aware of that and you must go thoroughly with the requirement document of the application that you are testing. For example, especially for delivery applications online, for purchasing products, or for food delivery apps where a mobile number is the only option for sign up. You need to enter the mobile number field with the right code in order to test the app. It is important to test the format of the mobile number. For example, say if you enter two long numbers or two short numbers or include some special characters along with numbers into the field, it is not going to work. It is an invalid test case scenario. The field requires a valid mobile number or email address in order to sign up. So in that case, you may create the test cases like this. To check the format, we must write the test cases like this, and these are all invalid test cases. First, verify the mobile number field by entering two long numbers, that is, too many numbers. Second, verify the mobile number field by entering two short numbers, very less numbers, okay? Then third, verify the mobile number field by entering special characters like symbols or signs in it. Fourth, verify the mobile number field by entering only letters in it, not any numbers. And fifth, verify the mobile number field by entering the wrong code. Example, for the local delivery apps. So now I'm going to write the test step like this. Step 18, verify the mobile number field by entering two long numbers. That is too many numbers. The first action is to enter the field with two long numbers. Example 201 345 678 987654 321, etc. etc. This number is too long and not normal, right? The expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter two long numbers into the field but with red lines. Next, enter all other fields with valid credentials and the expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter valid credentials into all other fields. And lastly, click on the sign up button. The expected result would be that sign up is not successful. It shows an error message which says invalid mobile number. Similarly, the same way, the next test case, number 19, is to verify the mobile number field by entering two short numbers as you see in the Google Sheet. The actions and the expected results would be the same as above. The only thing is that you need to test the field by entering a very short mobile number, for example, 2013, and that's 2 below the standard level and must not be accepted. Now quickly move on to our next test case, and that is to verify the mobile number field by entering special characters in it. For example, I'm going to enter the field with special characters like including symbols and signs. So the first action is to enter the field with special characters. For example, 201 $$ at the rate ABC. The expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you should be able to enter special characters into the field with red lines. Next, enter all other fields with valid credentials. You should be able to enter valid credentials into all other fields. And lastly, click on sign up and the expected result would be that the sign up is not successful. It shows an error message which says invalid mobile number. Please enter a valid mobile number or email address. Test case number 21 is to verify the mobile number field by entering special characters, that means only letters in it. No numbers should be there. The first action is to enter the field with special characters, that means only letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and the expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter special characters into the field with red lines. Next action is to enter all other fields with valid credentials, and the expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter valid credentials into all other fields. And lastly, click on the sign up button and the expected result would be that the sign up is not successful. It shows an error message which says invalid mobile number. Please enter a valid mobile number or email address. Test case 22 is to verify the mobile number field by entering the wrong code. The first action is to enter the field by entering the number using the wrong code. The expected result would be that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter the number using the wrong code into the field with red lines. The next action is to enter all other fields with valid credentials. The expected result is that the placeholder should be removed and you must be able to enter valid credentials into all other fields. Lastly, click on the sign up button. The expected result would be that the sign up is not successful. It shows an error message which says invalid mobile number. Please enter a valid mobile number or email address. For mobile delivery apps, I have already discussed the scenarios separately in my previous video. Check it out in details. Link in the description below. The following scenario could be that if you test the application in more than one language, you need to enter the mobile number field using numbers in a different language. For example, I should be entering my mobile number in Hindi language or say Spanish, and that must be written in Hindi numbers or Spanish numbers or any other language that you need to test for the app. Two more important scenarios are that if you are testing the application on a mobile device, then make sure to test the app by keeping the phone in landscape mode as well. And the second one is that on entering numbers on a mobile phone, the keypad must appear because for any delivery app, mobile number is the only option for signing up. Hence, it is important. To keep this video short, I will continue with the next field, which is the password field, into my next video. Until then, keep watching and share your thoughts below in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified of my new uploads. Thank you for watching.